Another patient who came in because of left flank pain. Masakit ang tagiliran sa bandang kaliwa. Now, kapag merong left flank pain sa emergency room, ang ginagawa ng ER doctors is they order CT sonogram. Yun na rin kasi nasa latest guidelines ng workup for flank pain. So you might as well do CT scan rather than ultrasound kung available ang CT scan. Kasi sa setting na to, ang weakness ng ultrasound is that it cannot visualize yung ureter properly. Ureter is the connection of the kidney going down to the urinary bladder. Again, the ureter is the connection of the kidney going down the urinary bladder. Now, help me spot yung white na stone na nakabara dito sa left kidney. So mag-focus tayo dito sa left. Okay? Compare pala muna natin, right and left. So subtle lang yung difference. Oh. Tignan niyo, nakalobo tong collecting system na to compared sa collecting system ng right. 'Di ba? Nakalobo yan kumpara dito. Ito yung normal ha. This is the normal part. This is the abnormal part. Medyo nakalobo. Subtle lang yan. Now, kapag susundan mo yan, going down, yun ay, nagpakita na nga eh. Ayan, yan. Yan. Tatapatan ko nito ha. Yan. Yan yung stone. Yan yung stone. Ito, yung bilog na to, yung bilog na yan, that's the urinary bladder. Yung bilog na yan. Etong puti na to, yan yung stone. So, nasa ureter pa yan, ureterovesical junction. Meaning, yung connection ng ureter going into the bladder. Kung napapanood ninyo yung iba kong videos, lagi yung sinasabi doon na yung junction na yan, yan yung pinakamasikip na part sa buong genitourinary tract. So, sa buong daanan ng ihi natin, lalaki man o babae, yan yung pinakamasikip. So, stones as little as 1 to 2 millimeters pwede magbara dyan kung may swelling. 2 to 3 millimeters lang yung normal diameter niyan. Pero again, tandaan niyo, naka-design lang kasi talaga yan to facilitate transport ng urine. So, yung stones, depende sa shape niya, sa size niya, kung lulusot siya, yun yung maraming factors eh. Depende kung gaano karami yung flow ng ihi mo, kung tumatambling-tambling ba siya, kung pahaba siya, 'di ba? Mas maganda kung ito medyo pahaba to, pero it's still lodged. Yung patient dumating sa ER na in pain, pero with medications nawala yung pain niya, pero umuwi pa rin siya na merong stone. So, let's see. Ang plan for the patient is to go inside the urinary bladder, silipin yung ureter na yan, and dislodge this stone. So kung by experience, nasa loob pa yun ng ureterovesical junction talaga, we may really need to perform lithotripsy, laser lithotripsy, para lang ma-dislodge ang stone na yan. Tapos sigurado na namamaga yung area na yan. So we place a stent para patent yung daanan ng ihi.